Okay, this is the Vacation Planner project from Taylor Wright, Tanner Jones, and Brandon Mayo, and we'll just run through some of the grading rubric points real quick.
All right, so for our absolute references, we had that here where we calculated how much it would cost for each day of the week. And as you can see up here in the formula bar, we have the dollar signs for the different cell addresses. And we also have the if statement up here as well. It's done for all of these here, so we have that. And then for the being automatically calculated using the mathematical equations, we have that here on this chart that we use to create our graphs. So as you can see in the formula bar, we have that there.
Cool. And then a couple things is, oh boy, a couple points that we also did was the min, max, and VLOOKUP. In our cost of travel sheet, we have the minimum amount that you could spend for one trip, which would be Paris to Madrid or vice versa, and then the max amount we used here, which is from the US to Venice and back. And then for our VLOOKUP, also in this sheet, we use that to calculate the trips and how much they would cost. So as you can see, we use the VLOOKUP and the match function in order to find out exactly how much it would cost from the US to our location one and throughout the weeks and then home again. And then based off of where we were going and how much it would cost us, we made some charts here, and this just shows where all of our costs went to originally. And then the last thing is the data validation. Also in the main plan, here each week you can choose where you want to go, and then for the first week, and then for the second week you can choose where you want to go, and then the third week. And so we use data validation to use these drop-down menus.
So for name cells, we have a little personal budget that tracks our min and our max. We named these cells up here, and then in our plans, as you can see, it inputs data based off of that name cell for each of the person's max budget. We also use conditional formatting that if they went over budget, they do turn red and do strike through like this. Yep, that's it.